Hey vibes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brooklyn. This is Vibe with Brooklyn. And on this channel, we get into a ton of reviews, hauls, healthcare tips, just like the list goes on. So if you love any of that stuff, go ahead and click the subscribe button as we would love to have you part of the Vibe Squad. I am covering the new Fenty Beauty Glass Slipper Gloss Bomb that just came out. I'm covering it in a little bit of a ghetto way though, because my glass slipper is from like the very beginning of when the process started happening. It's just in a container, but it doesn't have the actual logo, but I'm gonna show you like the heat that does have the logo on it so you aren't confused. So glass slipper, as I just showed you guys, it's literally just a clear, but it is glass slipper heat. So this is for reference, this is glass slipper heat in the Lavender Savage shade. This shade's actually really pretty too, but I just want you to understand that when you get yours, it will have the heat logo. Mine just currently does not, so don't mind that. This is $26, just like all the other gloss bombs. And I'm gonna try it on my lips for you guys. Right now I am wearing the Sweet Mouth, which I love Sweet Mouth because it's a little bit pinkier. Okay, so the lips are wiped off and I am taking the glass slipper. It's so like crisp and clear. Like I already know this is gonna be all types of other colors. So this is just a really straightforward clear shade. Instantly you get the plumping effect. So if you guys don't know what our heat does, it is a plumper. So make sure your lips just look luscious and just, you know, beautiful. So I personally love the heat collection. I know some people don't really care for how hot it gets on the lips. It definitely does heat up. I mean, we aren't playing when we call it Gloss Bomb Heat. So there's not much to talk about here when it comes to color, but the formula is just like all the others. Our Gloss Bomb, if you don't know that they're top tier, literally where have you been? Like, do you literally live under a rock? Because we have some of the best lip products out there. And that's not, you know, I'm not hyping it up. I'm just giving you all the real truth here. So when it comes to these gloss bombs, is that it's nourishing, hydrating on the lips. It has vitamin E in it. So you're not gonna get that cracked up feeling. It's not gonna, it lasts for so long. The reapply on these are super easy. Like I tell everybody to try it out and you will come back here and thank me later. So there's that on that. The smell is known to have a light peach scent, and these definitely do have a scent. The second thing I wanted to talk to you guys about was the giveaway that I'm doing. Okay, so I've been talking about doing a giveaway. I've been kind of teasing it. I've been asking y'all. I've been trying to like fill out the space to see what you guys are interested in. And I have come down to the fact that at 2K subscribers, at 2,000 subscribers, I am at 1,900 right now. So at 2,000, I need 100 more people to get there. I'm going to do a giveaway and it's going to be just very, very simple. You can comment on this video or you can comment on any of the videos that will be coming out until then. And I am just going to be looking for someone that really actively is engaging. This giveaway is going to be open to just like the US only, but I want to give away some Fenty Beauty, Fenty Skin products. So yeah, I will pick a winner once we hit that 2,000 subscriber mark. So make sure you're commenting and interacting with my videos on here. Follow me on TikTok. I add some videos on there as well. As long as you are being an active vibe on this channel, you have an opportunity to win. I am just going to pick one person. You know, this is my first giveaway, so we're starting off small, but still mighty, okay? I'm going to be gifting someone which is like really fun, some of my favorite Fenty Beauty, Fenty Skin products, and I'm going to try my best to pick some universal things that can kind of work for anyone. So I'm excited. I just wanted to give back to you guys. You guys have been showing me so much love since I started this journey a year and a half ago. I'm here to even think that I'm going to do a giveaway at 2,000 subscribers is like, it's crazy to me, and I am so forever thankful. So I want to make sure that I'm giving back at every stage. I don't want to just give back when I have 200,000 subscribers. I want to give back now because you guys have shown that love to me. I love you guys, and if you have any questions, let me know. But this is just a simple, easy way to interact. I do want to go live with y'all. I am like the worst it's just like deciding on a day, doing it, actively engaging. But I am going to be engaging with you guys more. I'm trying to get my TikTok popping so I can really talk to y'all on there, but we gonna get there soon, okay? So I love you guys. If you loved this video, please share it with any and everyone. You can share it to friends. Let them know that a giveaway is happening and it's gonna be some good stuff. But they gotta interact with your girl, so they need to subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys have a wonderful start to your week, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye.